Hello friends, welcome to a brand new video on the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how I propagated dragon fruit without using any rooting hormone. As you can see, this is my dragon fruit plant, which is of white flesh and red skin, and I purchased it from Amazon. And here is my dad stealing some attention. So I decided to take a cutting from the side branch of the plant which was not growing. My dad used a sickle to take the cutting. And he pushed it into the soil in a clay pot. After 1 week, I decided to shift it to another pot and I prepared the soil mix. Here I have taken 1 part garden soil and 1 part vermicompost and I am mixing it well. As you can see here, I was using this pot to grow the seedlings of broccoli, so I decided to shift the cutting to another pot. And if you notice, you will be able to see some roots which have emerged from the cutting, and this is so incredible. Even after 2 months, I couldn't find any growth, and I looked carefully and found no buds growing from the cutting. It was quite disappointing, but I kept watering it and kept it as such. So finally, 4 months after planting the cutting, I could see the growth in my cutting. There were 2 buds growing from it. As you can see, there is one small bud growing at the top and the other bud is growing from the mid portion of the cutting. So the reason why it took so long to initiate the process of budding is that I took the cutting during winter months, which was basically the dormant period for dragon fruit plants, and spring season is the best to propagate it. It is very easy to propagate. You will not need any rooting hormone for this purpose. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting gardening videos. Have a nice day.